Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. So basically there is this one platform that I'm going to recommend to you to create thumbnails that of course captivating and can get clicks, and that is Canva. Just create an account, tap on create a design, look for its specific size or ratio, or you can just basically go to the search icon and then search for YouTube thumbnail. It will show you different options right here. So make sure that you know your niche. Let's just say I will be creating YouTube thumbnails for how-to or tutorials. I will see here under the design section different templates that I can use. And if you have found the right one for you, then all you have to do is to drag that specific template to the page or blank page right here. The good thing about Canva is that it's easy to use. If you want to change the font or the font color, font size, anything here, then all you have to do is to click. For example, I'm going to change this to how to make money online. Now, if you want to change the font style, you can just go to the font right here and change. If you want to change the color, just double click, highlight, tap on the color, and then look for the specific color that you want to add or apply here. You can also resize, and you can change the position of the word, even the object right here. You can change the background color, the background size, and the background image if you want. You can even add effects right here. And for animation, I think it's not possible because this one is YouTube banner. You can add elements. For example, if it's all about money, you can go to elements, search for money, and then look for graphics or photos, drag that specific icon or image right here, place it anywhere. Okay, so but everything is up to you. If you want to add more images, for example, light bulb and so on, you can go again to elements and then search for something like idea, bulb, or something like that. It will show you different options, different results, and all you have to do is again is to just basically drag the object to the blank page. You can remove the background, but this one is for Canva Pro only. And here it is. So once done, you can tap on the share, make sure it's PNG or JPEG, and then you can go to your YouTube and then upload this thumbnail. And that's how easy it is to make YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.